Welcome to Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories. Here's what's cooking in Shail's Kitchen today. Ribeye steak with Sriracha and hoisin sauce. Here are the main ingredients for our dish today. We have some ribeye steak, we have some hoisin sauce, some Sriracha sauce, red and green bell peppers, onions and green onions. And I will be listing the quantities and the ingredients in the description box below. Our seasonings are going to be really simple for this dish. So I'm going to be adding about 2 tablespoons of Sriracha sauce and 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. And I'm going to taste this, and while we're cooking, or I should say close to the finish of cooking, taste it again and see if I need to add any additional ingredients or salt to this. So I'm just going to stir all of this together, make sure all my flavors and my 2 seasoning ingredients are well combined, and then I'm just going to set this aside while I slice up my onions and bell peppers. Oh, you know, I just thought of one other thing that I would like to add, and that is a tablespoon of fresh ground ginger and garlic. And I decided instead of adding it when I'm sauteing the vegetables, I'm just going to add it to my seasoning mix here with the beef. And I think, you know, that'll give it a chance to get those nice flavors into the meat. So that'll be delicious. I have my pan on high heat here with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and I'm melting 1 tablespoon of butter in it. I've reduced my heat to medium-high, so now I'm going to add my beef to the pot. I am literally just going to cook this for maybe 30 seconds or a minute at the most, because I don't want the meat to get tough, and also I just want it to retain a nice tenderness as well. So we're just going to cook that for a few more seconds. So my beef is cooked, so I'm going to remove this from the heat. I've transferred the ribeye steak to a bowl. I've reduced the heat to medium now, and now I'm going to add the bell peppers and the onions. Again, I don't want to overcook these veggies, so I'm going to just keep a close eye on it and let it cook for about a minute or so. Looks beautiful with all the different colors. I love that. This has been cooking for about a couple minutes, so now I want to taste this sauce. I think I'm going to add a little bit more salt, and I do have this wonderful Sriracha sea salt that I got. And I'm just going to add a little bit of that, which is going to be great because we already have some Sriracha in here, so that will blend in really nice with the flavors. And last but not least, I'm just going to add my beef back to my sauteed veggies. That's wonderful, and it smells so good. And you know what? This is done because we don't want to overcook anything. I want the bell peppers and the onions to retain a nice little crunch to it, and I don't want the beef to overcook. So this is perfect. I'm going to take the stove off now, take that heat off. And just garnish with some sliced green onions if you like. And of course we have just one last thing to do, and that is for the cook to try her lovely dish. I want a little bit of my bell pepper there. Oh my goodness. The beef is so lovely and tender. Just remember, just cook it a few seconds, a minute at the most. That's all you need. Super delicious with just those two flavors of the Sriracha sauce and the hoisin sauce. This is a winner, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shail's Kitchen, and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories.